Blockchain Explorer isn't complicated. Think of it like Google for the blockchain. Every transaction on a blockchain is public. But raw blockchain data? It's messy, unreadable, and full of code. That's where a Blockchain Explorer comes in. It lets you search and view everything happening on-chain: wallet addresses, transactions, blocks, fees, all in real time. For example, if you send crypto, you can paste your transaction ID into an Explorer and instantly check. Did it go through? How many confirmations? What fees did you pay? Popular explorers like Etherscan or BscScan make this super easy. No login, no permission, full transparency. So whether you're trading, building, or just curious, a Blockchain Explorer is your window into the blockchain. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever use crypto without it.